How to increase Facebook ads daily spending limit. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. You're on your Meta business suit, and I'm going to show you how you can increase that spending limit on your ads. So the first thing you want to do is go over to the left hand side, and you're going to see that you have a bunch of tools. So you're going to go down and look for Ads Manager. Now you can also access this from your Facebook page. So if you want to get from there, you can just go ahead and look for your menu, and you will find it in your menu. So right over here, you can see all of your ad campaigns. You can also see all of your ad sets, and then you can also see all of your ads. So we're going to go ahead and click on ads. And once all of your ads have come up, you can see that you have a bunch of information over here, such as if it's in draft or if it's public. You can also see the ad set name and the bid strategy and the budget. Now, once you hover your cursor over the budget, it does say that it is 50 Rand, and it does say daily. So what you're going to do here, when you hover your cursor over the budget, you will see that there's a little pencil icon that pops up. Now, once you tap on that pencil icon, you will be able to edit the daily budget. And over here, you can see you can change that from whatever it is. You can now make it whatever you would like it to be. You then tap on save to draft or publish if your ad is public already, and you can now see that that amount is actually changed. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Happy advertising. Bye-bye.